Oh my God, I can feel that in my chest, dude. Hell yeah. You got this boy. Look at that group, baby. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Well, this will be fun. Man, shout out to all the local guys, man, that came out. And look, we're already getting split up. I really was not expecting this. I was thinking like 3, 5, maybe. I was like, well, if we get lucky, we'll get like 10 bikes max, but not this. I'll have to count when we get to the next spot, or I'll just pop it up on the screen. How many bikes actually came out? Hell yeah, a clean little R1. Hell yeah. Yeah, he must have just got this thing, man, because remember what he had last time was the CBR. So I'm glad he converted to the R1. These I'm weak, man. Nothing. Just loud and obnoxious, man, always. No self-control. Here we go. This is awesome. For a Wednesday night, less than 24-hour notice, I love this. I'm just like smiling ear to ear right now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, what the? 21 bikes, I think. Might be 21 or 22 bikes that came out. Wow. Woo! The two-step, baby. Freaking love it. Alright, I'm low-key happy I brought the r1m and not the H2. Hell yeah. I'm cheesing ear to ear right now in my helmet, man. This is epic. Baby wheelie in there. So I guess I kind of got to address the elephant in the room, because I always get a kind of comments like asking, why do you never do any group rides locally? And it's honestly kind of by design. So I'm gonna give you 3 main reasons why I really don't ride locally in any groups. I think we're good. We're gonna hit some local twisties back here, which should be fun. Get off the highways and all the straight roads. But number 1 reason is cops, alright? This is why I don't ride locally. And it's gonna sound weird, but I don't like to poke the bear where I live. I usually try and fly under the radar, because obviously not everything that's being posted online is legal or the general population would be happy to see happening in their hometown. And the thing is, once you piss off your local PD, I don't know if you guys saw that one video, I think his name's like Kevin Van something, I don't know, where his house got raided because of the videos that he had been posting online, like some of the racing videos, and they were like old videos too. And the cops literally showed up to his house. Like, I think it was like SWAT team with like ARs, like absolutely insane, while he wasn't even home. And like, it like scarred him and his wife for life. Like, that's something that you'll never ever forget. And as y'all know, with my day job, I work with a lot of cops too, and they see my videos. So like, the local PD knows who I am and what I do. So I I try and stay on those guys' good side, because when you mess around in your hometown, the problem is that you're gonna ride to a lot of the same places. Like, I commute on my bike to work. Like, I ride my bike a lot, but I just don't always record it while I'm home. And the problem is, if you like run from a cop or get on their radar, they're gonna start harassing you. And yeah, you can like change your helmet and try and change your gear and all that, but I don't want to have to ride around my house with my head on a swivel like that. Like, I don't want to be worried, because at some point you're gonna get got. Like, that's just how it's gonna go. Like, someone's gonna catch you when maybe you're not paying attention, or maybe you're low on gas, or just like some sort of scenario, you're gonna get caught with your pants down. And so I just try and avoid all of that together by just traveling. And y'all enjoy watching me travel and going to other cities and experiencing the bike life. And I really love like meeting you guys, man. That's also the really cool part with all the traveling that I do. I get to go to different cities and experience different, like I said, bike scenes, meet a ton of you guys in person. And so it's kind of just like a win-win. The second reason is I never want this to feel like a job per se. And if you motovlog, you know what I'm talking about, where you feel like when you ride, if you don't have I almost feel guilty riding and not having a camera on my helmet, like not making content for you guys. Even if I don't plan on riding crazy, I'm like, man, I could be filming this or doing this, or this would be a cool shot. And so I kind of had to find that balance with it, where I don't feel guilty for riding, but I'm also like getting enough content for you guys. Because that's the biggest complaint I see. And I see your comments that you guys want more content, you want me to post more, and it's hard finding that balance of just posting just to post stuff, so you'll have content and it maybe not being the highest of quality, but also posting good quality stuff, but not going dark for like 2 weeks, if that makes sense, because I just don't have anything to film or nothing's really going on. I think we got everybody for the most part. Like 21? There's 20 or 21 I counted. I guess we're good. All right, remember, all right, maybe I counted wrong. All right, onward we go. Heck yeah. These boys are wildin', man. I love this. Showing y'all these Kentucky back roads, baby. Let's go. Oh, it's so beautiful back here. It is so much cooler out here than in the city. We're probably like 30 minutes outside of Lexington right now. And the third and kind of final reason here is because, honestly, those of you that ride and have been riding for a long time know that there's a lot of turnover in your friends and your riding buddies that ride. Like, some people, their wives make them stop, or they have something that kind of spooks them, so they quit riding. Or some people just need the money and they got to sell their bike for something else that goes on. I mean, life happens, and I get it. And there could be a ton of turnover riders. The OGs of the channel know I used to ride with Anthony and Joseph, which they both had R1s, and I was good friends with them, man. And so we do a lot of bike stuff and off-bike stuff. And when they both kind of sold their bikes, I would ride with them locally, literally all of the time. There wasn't a night where we weren't out hooning around, which y'all saw in the early days. This was before I even had the R1m. This is back when I had my old generation R1, my 2014. Shout out to Storm, I miss that bike. I've always said another day or someday I'd buy another one, man. So that bike really was so good. And they kind of got out of riding. I'd go to meetups, but it just kind of wasn't the same, man. Like, I don't know, I feel like the bike scene was a little different. Which you get, like, if you have a good friend, like, it's hard to replace not just a riding buddy, but a good friend, like, off bikes too. And so I kind of stopped going to group rides. So I was just like, it's not really the same without my boys there. But seeing this, like, recently, this was years ago too. Seeing this, it's good to, like, see everyone, man. And, like, see the bike scene has changed a lot. But like hosting this ride and the last ride I went on, well, I talked about what was going on with the court case. That was the first time I'd been on a group ride in a really long time. So seeing that, and then also like all the support locally that I've gotten from some of you guys that have bought the merch and have watched some of my videos, really means a lot, man. And so it kind of was like, all right, I gotta get back out here, man, and see what the Lexington bike life is like now. I definitely want to start doing stuff like this more, because this is, like I said, really cool for a Wednesday evening. Like, this isn't like a Sunday ride or Saturday ride. This is a random weekday. Oh, he's showing off that he's got the cruise control, man. I'm jealous. I love getting people's reactions to this. He was just cheesing in his helmet. It's so obnoxious. Oh, ah, you alright, man?
I'm fine.
Alright, as long as you good, that's all that matters. Here, we can push it out of the road.
If you find where it's leaking out of your radiator, bro, I would.
Yeah, it's just coolant. That's better than it being oil.
You know, fast and lock the brake.
I figured, yeah. This got me too. I was like, oh shit, we're stopping.
Oh, you're in? No. No, he goosed.
Okay, you're good.
Lay it down? Slammed on the brake.
Yeah, he just laid it down.
Some brakes going. I was like,
Yeah.
stop sign, bro. I knew it was gonna happen.
Out of nowhere. What just comes out of, you can't see it over the hill.
I couldn't see shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They got me too. I like slammed on my brakes. Like, oh shit.
Pop the reserve tank cover.
Yeah, where's it leaking from?
I wonder if the reserve cap come off.
I just hate that for him, man. Damn. I'm glad he's good though. That's all that matters. We're trying to figure out where it's leaking coolant from. Man. I know it's hot. It's hot, man.
No, there's still a lot in it. Oh no, that's good.
I just wonder where it came from though.
It may have just jumped over like the overflow.
Yeah.
Did the reserve cap come off of it?
It looks like, no. It's still on there.
Best way to know is start it up and look at it and see if it's squirting out in.
There's still a bunch of, there's still a ton of coolant, like you said. Yeah, that's the thing. So if it, oh, oh,
I passed him fucking.
never mind.
We'll have to get a tow truck.
Yeah, we're going to have to get a truck out here. Do you know anyone with a truck?
I got a truck.
You know anyone that can drive it out here? You got your keys on you.
I'll take you home and get it, but I got a solo piece. I don't know if you want to ride ditch, though.
I was like, you can ride with me if you need to, but.
Ain't nothing but with Vaseline D, man. That's a dream come true.
That's OnlyFans, man. You gotta pay for that, man. You gotta pay for that.
Don't rub your belly all the way home.
Oh, hell no.
I heard he's a hell of a cook, man. It ain't gonna cost much to fix it. I know you're pissed. At least you ain't hurt, man. That's the good best thing.
Exactly.
I don't think it's nothing major, man. Just
no, I think it's just fairings and.
fine plastic.
Yeah. So we got a broken handlebar, slider. We got some coolant in the road. First crash, man. How's it feel? First time going down.
Great. It wasn't bad. Didn't break nothing.
There we go.
We're good.
There we go, man. He's good. That's all that matters. The bike, we can fix this, no problem. But as long as he's good, and you hurt his foot a little bit, yeah. But we don't think it's broken or anything, thankfully. So
hopefully not.
But yeah, man. I'm glad he's good. That's all that matters, man. And he's in good spirits too. That's what I love about it. So, and don't worry, I asked him before I took this clip.
Yeah, we all good.
Yeah, so.
I'm wrecked and I'm proud.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Now you're officially a rider, man. There we go. Got the beautiful sunset out here. Boy's waiting on his ride, so